obviously don't yield the nerve. Another potato? Where did you put it? That is your cut, Dad. Is it deep?
What?
Your cut. Kind of Roscoe eats that if he wants it. He's examining it. I wonder if I should eat this. That's what happened.
Hey. Malachi's doing a ferro rod fire using a wet fire tinder cube. There you go. A little more.
Almost got it. I almost got it.
You did. You can do it.
There we go.
Almost.
Most of them will just kill you if you try to stop them. Just imagine you were a retired Navy SEAL. Someone tried to break into your house.
That person.
Be their last name.
Don't kneel down. Just bend over. Don't give up. So you want those sparks to be down close to your tinder. There you go.
Stuff like gets in the house. Would it get infected?
Cool.
What would happen if it did get infected?
Antibiotics.
Would it hurt? Would it get infected like right now, or do you think it's done up enough?
Now grab that stuff there and put it on there. You can go a little faster and grab a little bit more at a time. Put that whole thing on there, Malachi.
Oh, like
All of it. Yep. There you go. Okay.
it's a hammer now, Dad. Oh.
Grab some of those bigger ones right there. Yep. Hurry, hurry. Put them on there, right on top. Not off to the side, but right on top. There you go. Try to...
Can't believe I started this fire.
You did. You did awesome. Get some more stuff. Get that big stuff left there.
Perfect.
Get it in there.
Usually run away from bugs.
Well, that little stuff's gonna burn up quick. Once it burns up, it's gonna want to go out.
Wow.
Sorry, go like this. No, we can leave that
Which direction I do?
right there. You can come around this way.
That looks
It's all right. We'll go like this. There we go. Just like that. Hey, what do you think, man?
well, I started that fire by myself.
Yep. Ferro rod's a pretty cool way to start a fire, huh? You did good. Give me 5. All right. Cool.
We're not gonna put it on the plate.
Oh yeah.
Why do we need internet and stuff for Netflix if we can just download?
You want to get over there on the other side so you're in it?